the setting sun as daylight fades. Close your eyes and jump into our wildest dream. Wildest dreams. Into a world created by design, and it's ours until the end of time. Into our wildest dreams. Follow me into our wildest dreams, our wildest dreams. Do you believe that there's something to see? Follow me into our wildest dreams.
Mahalin ninyo ang bawat isa katulad ng pagmamahal ni Kristo sa ating lahat. Dahil nga, pinili niyo yun, maaari niyong sabihin buong katapatan sa bawat isa, no tengo nada más que darte. Ngayong araw na ito, ibinigay kong lahat sa iyo.
I will always love you how I do. Let go of a prayer for you.
Dear, finally, ito na. As the saying goes, when God says it's time, it's time. No one's gonna stop it, nothing can break it, and none of us can delay it.
Wishing you Godspeed, glory. There will be mountains you won't move. Still, I'll always be there for you. How I do.
Thank you for the security you bring into our lives,
I let go
for the
of
assurance
my
that everything will be fine, even life is hard
It's
at
a
times.
free world. You look down on where you came from.
You're such an amazing man. Ang swerte-swerte namin ng mga anak mo. Kasi mahal na mahal mo kami.
Always.
Krisya, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Mark, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Krisya na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Thank you for loving me, despite my flaws and imperfections. Thank you for choosing to be the one who always understands and being so patient to me.
Siya, ito na yung kasal na gusto kong ibigay sa'yo. Medyo magastos, pero baliwala yon basta mapasaya kita.
I'm in focus, I'm in awe, forming in thought, light in the eye of the cosmic. I am awakening conscience. I'm awakening conscience. Paraffin,
ka. At hangang-hanga ako sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin ng mga anak natin. The best ka. I love you.
I will never give up on you. I will always choose you. I will forever choose us. Let us embrace the challenges together. It won't be an easy journey, but with God's grace, we will make it through.